Oh, what's your name?
Just call me Tom.
Just call me. Yun ang name niya. Just call me. What again? Tom. Tom. This is Pakitong Pitong. Pakitong Pitong. Are you Chinese?
Nationally, I'm Australian, but I'm from China.
You're Australian? Oh my gosh! Congratulations! Makakita ng tao ganyan, no? Australian?
Hindi, bakit ba? Ano ba tanong nyo?
Ako ang magtatanong sa ganyan. So, how old are you? 34! That's my favorite number! Nakita nila, may isa pa ako noon. Nakakahiya.
What do you do here in Hong Kong?
I'm doing payment business.
You're doing a business?
I'm doing payment.
Oh! So, what's your problem?
Wala sa problema.
Kasi naiintindihan, kaya...
Anyways, you are so good looking.
Yeah.
You are really handsome. Are you single?
Well, I have a girlfriend.
It's okay. I also have a girlfriend. It's okay, Chad, because I'm his girlfriend. Pet ka niya, pet.
Do you find... This is Lassie, this is Chad, and I'm MC. Do you find Lassie beautiful or ugly? Can you tell me the truth?
Handsome.
Tom, how do you find me? Did you find it?
Did you find it? If you're going to...
Kasi,
Okay. Okay, I will try. Tom?
alam niya kung hihina niya sa English. Ganito, kayo mag-Tagalog, ako magta-translate.
Sige.
Isang translator, ano ang gusto niyong sabihin, itang-translate ko.
Kunyari, wala kang girlfriend.
Yun. Kunyari, wala kang girlfriend.
Kaya ano i-translate mo?
Sabi ko yung sasabihin ko. For example, you don't have a girlfriend. English.
Sinong pipiliin mo? Ako, MC, si Lassie, o si Chad? At kung ako naman ang pipiliin mo o isa sa amin, bakit ako ang pinili mo? Anong katangian ko ang meron sa akin? Bakit ako ang pinili mo? At sa katangian ang gusto mo? At bakit mo nasa dito sa Australia? Ending at kasama.
Sira ulo ka. Translator ako, hindi computer. Ano? Did you hear that? Amongst the three of us.
Yes. Who will you choose to be your girlfriend if you have no girlfriend at all?
Yes.
Okay. You choose. So, by choosing, you will embrace.
Yes. Embrace, and then you do the significant Filipino tradition. It's a Filipino dance we call kaldag. Okay? So you embrace, and then you do the kaldag. Like this. We call this in the Philippines kaldag. It's a Philippine dance. And you do it by partner.
Yes.
Okay? You embrace your partner, and then you kaldag. If you choose one.
Just one.
If you want to walk in, let's go to the hotel. If we will be girls, if we will be real girls, and you don't have a girlfriend, who would you choose and why would you throw her?
Okay. Wait. You need to go there. Okay.
Okay, you hug and you kaldag, okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, choose.
New rules.
Yeah.
If you are chosen,
You will be eliminated.
eliminated. So
Okay, you choose.
Just show us. She is already out.
Eliminated. I'm out.
Siyempre para
Oh, yun na.
Hindi makakalamang si Bongbong.
Okay, you will choose between the two of them. Okay?
I need more transparency.
You choose the winner. You choose the winner.
You choose the winner.
Okay.
Choose a winner. You do the thing again.
Oh, he's crying already.
I need more transparency. Without the name, I mean,
Without the pants? Without the pants?
you want to know?
Okay.
Ay, pero, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Uy, palakpakan naman natin.
Grabe, no?
Oh, wala na po. Ang gwapo, no? Diyos ko, nakakita din na lalaki. Ang dami kasi babae ngayon dito.